Hey everyone, today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to make bubble letters. This is a great way to write your name or any other word that you'd like. You're going to need a pencil and a marker and a piece of paper, and that's it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to write your word spaced out across the page. Don't put your letters too close together. You want to leave a little bit of space in between. So I'm going to write A-R-T for art. After you draw your letters, I'm still going to use my pencil and I'm going to put a bubble around my letter, hence the name bubble letter. Think about your letter that you just drew, the letter A, as a bone, okay? Think about your body. Inside your body you have hundreds of bones. On top of your bones you have flesh, muscle, fat, skin. You're going to give your letters some muscle, flesh, fat, and skin. Kind of gross, I know, but trust me, it works. So I'm going around the outside of my letter, making my letter a little bit chubbier than it started. And the letter A has that hole in the middle. Don't forget to draw that with your bubble letter. And it's that easy. I'm going to trace this line with a Sharpie just so you can see it a little bit better and see the difference between the bubble and that letter bone underneath. Don't forget your middle. Perfect. Now with your pencil eraser, you're going to erase that bone. You don't need it anymore. It was just to help get us started. Perfect. Alright, let's talk about it another way. If bones and skeletons and flesh freak you out, this method is for you. Think about your marker as a race car that needs to travel around the outside of your letter on a racetrack. It's going to go around the loop of the R, down the leg of the R, around and up the tail of the R, and back up to where it started. Okay? The R is another one of those letters that has a hole in the middle, so don't forget to do that. Perfect. Alright, last one up is we have the letter T. Let's talk about the racetrack again. Okay? Think about the T as a racetrack that we're driving around, making a big loop around the block, and then back up towards the top. You might want to use a pencil for this part just in case you make a mistake, but I just used a marker because it's a lot easier to see on camera. Then go back in, erase the rest of your bones, and there you have it. Perfect bubble letters. Easy, right? The next thing I want to show you are some common mistakes that people make when making their bubble letters. So I already have ART written here, and the main thing I see people do the most that is not correct is they cut right through the middle of those bones we talked about. So they come down, they cut right through the middle of that part on the A, and then they bring it up to the end. Okay? So you can already see I made an end line there, which I don't want, and then I cut through that middle bone on the cross part of the A. And then I do it again here. Oh no. So now I ended up with a line here I don't want, a line there, a line there. I don't want those little lines that I'm crossing out. Those shouldn't be there. I want to make sure I make one continuous line all the way around my letter. Don't stop until you meet where you began. So I'm coming down and around, and I'm stopping where I began. An R, remember, is one of those letters that has the hole on the inside, so don't forget to add that in. There we go. Much better. Let's try the wrong way again on the T. So notice how I cut right through the middle of the T, and now I have this line that I don't want.